Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and good. Okay, let's start our class for 5th class science term 2. Which class? 5th class science term 2. Okay, in previous class we completed our third lesson. Today we are going to start our new lesson, that is on rocks and minerals. What do you mean by rocks? Rocks are in different types. पत्थर रहता है ना, उसमें भी types रहते हैं. And minerals means platinum, quartz, diamond, these all ore, and these all are minerals. So firstly today we are going to start our lesson, rocks and minerals. The earth is made up of soil and rocks. Rocks are made up of minerals. They may contain one or more minerals, okay? Or the earth is made up of soil and rocks. In the earth we can see there is an soil and rocks, and these rocks are made up of minerals. Okay, these rocks are made up of minerals. They contain one or more minerals. In each rock they contain one or more minerals. Next, rocks. Rocks exist in different shapes, sizes and forms. Large rocks in the mountains are called boulders. Sand is very tiny pieces of broken. Based on the way they are formed, rocks are of three types: igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. So all the rocks are not in the same shapes. They have the different sizes, different shapes and different forms. So not all we can see the rocks all are at the same size and the same shape. No. So different rocks having the different sizes and different shapes. So some rocks are on very large rocks. You can see while you will go to then other places we can see the large rocks. That rocks is called as an boulders. Okay, sand is very tiny pieces of broken rock. Sand is called as an sand. You can see it is like a small stones. That is called, how that sand is made means it was an broken rock. By breaking the rock we are getting the sand. Based on this, these rocks are divided into three types. What are that? Igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Today we are going to discuss about the igneous rocks. The word igneous means made from the fire or heat. Deep inside the earth it is so hot that even hard things such as rocks melt. So igneous rocks, what do you mean by igneous? Igneous, the meaning of igneous is it is made up of fire or heat. So how the rocks are made up of? It is made up of fire or heat. So deep inside the earth मतलब earth के नीचे it is so hot that the even hard rocks such as melt. जैसे अपने earth के नीचे क्या है, बहुत deep inside में बहुत hot रहता, वो hot के वजह से क्या है, थोड़े rocks पे melt हो जाता है. Melt मतलब पिघल जाना. Okay, the hot and the molten rock found inside the earth, that is called as an magma. The rock which is melted inside the earth, that rock is called as an magma. Okay, sometimes the hot magma flows out through the cracks in the earth's crust or explodes from volcanoes. The magma that comes out into the surface of the earth is called lava. So what happens, sometimes this magma will be crust, मतलब वो crust और crust मतलब क्या है, बिखर जाना, पूरा चूरा चूरा हो जाता ना उसको, क्रैक्स इन द अर्थ क्रस्ट एंड एक्सप्लोड फ्रॉम द वॉल्केनोस से ये क्रस्ट होके चले जाता. सो वो मैग्मा जो है, the magma that comes from the volcanoes, that comes from the surface of the earth is called as an lava. So the crushed or cracked magma that is coming out from the earth, that is called as an lava. Sometimes the magma cools and hardens slowly under the earth to become gained hard rocks. Sometimes what happen, when the magma gets cooled down, it becomes gained hard rocks. The rocks formed by the cooling of magma or lava are called as an igneous rocks. So the rocks which are formed after cooling the magma, that rocks is called as an igneous rocks. Magma takes years to cool down, whereas lava cools down quickly. So magma, it will take more time to cool down, and lava it cools down very quickly. Like example, granite, pumice, basalt and obsidian are some example of igneous rocks. You can see here, granite, pumice, basalt, obsidian, these rocks are called as an igneous rocks. These rocks are formed from the cooling down of magma and lava. Next, granite. When magma cools slowly under the surface of the earth, it forms an hard rock, is called as an granite. Granite is made up of mainly three minerals: mica, quartz and feldspar. We use granite in buildings and to make statues. We use polished granite to make kitchen counters and for flooring. So what happened here, how the granite is formed? After the magma cools down, a rock is formed. That rock is name is granite. Okay, granite having 3 minerals. What are that minerals? Means mica, quartz and feldspar. These are the 3 granites that are 3 minerals that are present in the granite. Okay, so where we are using the granites, we are using the to make the statues, that is the stone used, that is in granite, and granite to make the kitchen counters for flooring, that is also an granite. Next and remaining lesson we will continue in the next class. And your homework is, I hope you all understood the class, and your homework is these 4 rocks: granite, pumice, basalt, obsidian. Draw one time. Sorry, write only the names. Don't draw. This granite, pumice, basalt, obsidian. These 4 rocks names only, write 2 times and send me the clear homework. Thank you.